Oh, Manxie.
It's actually unusual to see many cockatiels feeding.
What on that?
Yeah, and canaries always come.
Well, we've got everything here. Train, cockatiels, canaries are happy. Singing like mad. Sounds like the ducks are having a bit of a joke. Oh, Max, come on. Come on, baby. You come in. Come to mummy. Step up, gorgeous. Good girl. Whoa, what a girl. Look at you. Hey, Mia. Come to mummy. Come to mummy. You need a bath, don't you? Hey? Maxie wants a bath. Yes, she does. She does. She's a good girl. Yeah. Yeah. She's lovely. Yep. My girl. That's my Maxie. You're a good girl, Max. Oh no, not my earrings, Maxie. Oh no, you're beautiful. Yeah. Hello. Hello. Hello, baby. You gorgeous boy, aren't you? Yes, you are. Oh, hello. Hello, you. Hello, gorgeous. Give us a kiss. Come on. Hey? Lot of happy birdies. Hello, just having a look. We're just having a look in here. Yeah, in your little bedroom. Yeah. Okay, babies. Okay. Oh, Max, what are you doing? You following me? Hey? You following me, Max? You are. Good girl, aren't you? Oh, come on then. No.